Hi, this is Carrie with Canary Quilts, and I'm going to show you how to do this Dracula Applique Block on Cricut. And it's part of this Monster Two-Face wall hanging that I'm working on. So the first thing you want to do is go grab the template, which is available in our library access on our website, canaryquilts.com. There you can ask for the password to get into the resource library. Once you're in the resource library, then you can access this Dracula pattern along with all the other patterns that I have available there for free, like our pumpkin mug rug, our little cat bedding, Halloween trick-or-treat mini quilt, and I'll be adding to this all the time. So once you're in Design Space, you'll want to upload the template that you downloaded from the website, and you'll need to browse for it to wherever you saved it on your computer. And then you'll insert it into Design Space. And once it's in Design Space, it's ready to go. And it should be 8.5 inches tall. But it's ready to cut once you've got it in Design Space. So then we'll hit the Make It button. And we're going to leave mirror off on this first cut. And on the second cut, we'll do mirror on. So then we are going to choose our material, which is a cotton bonded material. Choose more pressure, and under Edit Tools, choose your rotary cutter. At this point, you'll load your mat into your Cricut and choose to cut. Okay, to cut this Dracula out on your Cricut, we will need to have a piece of fabric that has a double-sided fusible bonding on the back, and I use light Steamacine too. And we're just going to put it here in the corner. And I am choosing mirror off for the first one, and then I will choose mirror off for the black fabric. So now that I've got this pushed down, I'm going to take it over to my Cricut and get it all cut out. Now that the fabric is on the mat and you've got it loaded into your Cricut, the Cricut Maker can now do its magic and cut the template out. Okay, now that I've got this off my Cricut, I'm going to just peel away the outer edge here. I'm going to turn it upside down and gently peel it from my Cricut mat. And there's the left half of my Dracula. Now I'm going to do the right half. Same thing. I've got my black bonded fabric here. I'm going to put it into the corner. And since I'm mirroring it, I want to line up on this 4-inch line over here, because I know that it's going to be cutting off, it's going to be cutting like this. So I've got plenty of fabric room over here. So now I just take this over to my Cricut and I'm going to turn on the mirror for this one. So it's very important now that you go and you edit your mat and turn the mirror on so we can get the other side of the face. And when you do that, you can see that it flips our template over. And then you'll go through the same process here of loading your mat and cutting it. So now that it's done cutting, you're finished with both templates and you can get ready to weed the second fabric. Okay, the other half of my Dracula is cut on my Cricut, and I'm going to peel away the edges. And again, I'm going to turn it over and gently peel it off the mat. There's the other side. This Dracula block is just one block in a series of blocks that I am working on for a wall hanging. I'm calling it a Monster Two-Face wall hanging. I've also done a Frankenstein template that is available on our website at canaryquilts.com, or you can check the link below to get access to this pattern. Thank you.